Notice it's missing the top screw. What kind of crap? Man, how many screws is that thing missing? Okay, I fed the string through there, and I tried it the opposite way, and that was wrong. So I had it the other way, and then just wound it up. So I got a little extra on there, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tighten it up once I get it, and hopefully it's working right, because I have no idea what I'm doing. We got it back on there. I think I'm missing a few bolts, but there was only 3 on there when I did it. So let's do a pull start and see if it worked. I was just playing with this daggone thing, but I need a new, I guess, boy, I need to do my homework under these videos, but the piece that recoils the string back here is bad, and someone jury rigged it, and I wasted $5 getting another string because I popped that one pulling it like it was like a regular lawnmower. So you live and you learn. But I'm gonna have to order that, and then I need to start looking into other parts that I need to start ordering.